To replace the ski Skag on your 850 Titan Adventure Ultimate, follow these steps. Check Skags before each use of the snowmobile to ensure positive steering characteristics. Skags must be replaced when worn to half their original diameter. Carbide Skags must be replaced if any abnormal wear or chipping is found. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface. Then, safely raise and support the front of the sled so the skis are approximately 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters from the ground. Next, remove the attaching nuts and washers. Then, pry the Skag downward. Now, remove the front end first, then remove the rear end. Continue by inspecting the Skag for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Skags should be replaced when they have worn to half their original diameter and should always be replaced in pairs. Next, align the Skag studs to the ski mounting holes and install the Skag. Then install the washers and nuts. Torque nuts to specification. Repeat the process for the other side. Once complete, safely lower the snowmobile to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polaris.com.